Let's take a look at one trade I made in crude today, and it's actually a loss. And it was for $230 negative. So what we have here, again, today is February 28, 2022 is 12:30. I just trade today in the morning. So what you see here is the Renko chart for crude. So here you have the trade. I made it before market open, but it when the ghost pit open for gold seems for crude, seems that crude is moving higher now, but it's still in the range. See, in the higher time frame, you see, or in the higher Renko chart, you see that it's breaking some resistance here. Most likely it's going to keep moving up. I'm out already, so I'm not trading this since I met my um, goal today. But it seems that it's moving to the upside again. Okay, so here you do have um, the point and figure chart, and if you see here, there was a big gap yesterday, Sunday, and it started to move up, found resistance at $99 and came back down. And most likely this one is going to keep moving higher. It's 96.15 now, so most likely it's going to move higher. I'm out. I'm not going to take any additional trades today, but this would be a good entry or a good risk to take to the upside. So let's see what was the trade today. So here it is. Let me expand it a little bit here, and I'm gonna show you why I took the trade. So this is a pattern that actually repeats itself, and then sometimes you are lucky and sometimes you're not. This time I was not. Market already moved significantly into the upside, so it was in a range, but then there was this week out of the 21 EMA, and I entered it right there at let me see, let me expand it a little bit more so I can see the price is 95.20, 95.85, and then right when I took it, the market reversed, and I just went out at 95.62, and that is $230 down in this entry. Now, you know, I am bullish in crude. I think that crude is going to move up, but the price action was not giving me um, that signal, right? I made the big high, the big move to the upside, and then it started to retrace. So now it's consolidating. No trades for me in this area, and it's still consolidating right there. Now it started to move up, and that is where we are. So yeah, 12:34 lunchtime Eastern today, and you know, too late to trade anything. Probably in the afternoon it's going to move up again. There is some, obviously there are some potential for crude to move to the upside and reach the $100. We'll see what is going on. For now, it's in a range in consolidation, and I'm not taking any additional trades today. Okay, thank you so much for watching.